Hey friends, this is Irmila and our tarot card for today is Nine of Cups. Now friends, this is a very good card. It is called as the wish card. So whatever you wish, whatever you desire, whatever you think of is going to be fulfilled today. Whatever it may be, good, bad, whatever. So you need to understand the power of your thoughts today is very important. It's not only the power of your thoughts today, it's the power of your thoughts every day, which is very important. But today, as Tarot has, specifically asked us to take care of our thoughts, we should take care of our thoughts, and we should understand that this is a card full of wishes. So anything you wish for today is going to come true. We build up the feeling of insecurity in us only by the way we think, right? So do not build up any kind of insecurity within yourself. Think positive about any situation that you are in. Whatever you are going to do today is going to go right and is going to go for you. Even if you are in a stuck situation, please don't panic. Think about the right solutions to the situation, and I'm sure you'll get through with it. There is also a guidance card which I have pulled out from the angel deck, and that says vacuum away fear. So you can see Archangel Michael with all the magic around him waiting to help you. Yes friends, now you can always call upon Archangel Michael, you can call upon Archangel Raphael, and if you have any fears, you want to lift them up, or you want to, you need a way out, how to go about your fears, you can always call angels, and they will be involved with you to take you out of the situation that you are in. So you need to be, very mindful and aware of what you are thinking today. Think something that is only positive. In case you have picked up energy, sometimes what happens is people, you meet people, or you are in a crowd and you pick up energies which are very negative from people, or heavy, rather negative, more than negative, very heavy. Sometimes when you meet somebody, you feel, you just feel heavy. After you meet the person, you just want to sleep, or you just feel tired and drained out. So you need to clear your energies today. In case you are feeling heavy, in case you are feeling low by any chance, you need to uplift yourself by clearing your energies. There are people who are watching my video and know how to clean energies, because most of them have maybe learnt chakra cleaning or angel therapy, or XYZ modalities. But people who do not know how to do it, you just need to sit in one place, close your eyes, and ask Archangel Michael or Raphael to clear out all your negative energies from the body and fill it with positive energies. You can actually feel, imagine all the dark energies going out of your body, and you being filled with a white light, or shielded with a white light. So friends, this is a very small energy work that I am talking about. You can do it anytime, every hour. It just takes about 5 to 10 minutes to do it, depending on the time you have, as well as how deeply you connect with the energy healing. So even if it is for 5 minutes, just close your eyes, be grounded wherever you are, whichever meeting you are in. Before going into a meeting, before going somewhere, just close your eyes. Even if you're just sitting at home, close your eyes and clean your energies. It will help you, because all the energies that we gather needs to get out of us before we start a new beginning. So don't go with heavy energies. Don't have anything negative to think. Think positive always. Today is a very good day. You can stay with these two cards, friends. Nine of Cups and vacuum away fear. Now, this card, the Nine of Cups, also says, in case you have a lot of, you've got a lot of blessings, you have something with you, even if you have a little bit of something, if you can share it today with people or with a person who doesn't have it, maybe a smile, maybe some food, maybe some kind of materialistic thing, say something sweet to people today, make their day today, and you will get it back in many folds. So today is a day of giving, today is a day of receiving, and today is a day of thinking positive. So positive manifestation today is very important, friends. Take care of yourselves, have a positive day, and be in gratitude always. Love you all.